So this is my 1970 Pontiac GTO in its current condition. It's a 400 4-speed with an M20 transmission. Car was originally Fedora green. Now somebody's painted it black. The fenders are not original to the car, but they are original fenders. It has a new core support. There's the Enduro bumper. Been stripped, but probably still needs some attention. That inner fender is original to the car. That one is a replacement. Did not have power steering. I'm sorry, did not have power brakes. Does have power steering. And somebody punched some extra holes for different mounts. I will have a new bushing kit for everything, polyurethane bushings. There's the hood. It does have a factory hood tack. There is a spot of rust over here on this fender, which I'm sure is just going to need a patch. There's the floors. Look like they're in pretty good condition. At some point, somebody tried to convert it to an automatic and covered up the shifter hole. But I've got a new transmission hump for it. Floors, I think, are pretty good condition. There's the clock for it. There's the original color. Rockers, I think, are in pretty good condition. Here's another spot. I don't know what happened there. The windows will need to be gone through. There's the back. And there's the roof. Come back here to the back side. I removed the bumper to prep it for chrome, all the brackets. Everything looks to be in pretty decent shape. Does have a new gas tank. Can't tell for sure, but it looks to me like it might have gotten tagged back here. Just looks a little off from the left side. Here are the floors. Again, I think they're pretty solid. There's my Hirsch shifter, some extra parts. Got the console back there. Here's the underside of the trunk lid. Again, there's another spot right there. Come over here to the driver's side. Get down here. These all at least sound pretty solid to me, but driver's door looks to be in pretty good shape. Here's my dash. Dash pad obviously is gonna need to be fixed up. There's a closer look at that. The design work the previous owner did. Transmission mount. And again, seems like it's all pretty good shape. Try to get underneath the car. Those are my rocker moldings. There's the underside of the car. Frame I think is in really good shape. You can transmission bracket. It has a new set from inline tube of the rear drum assemblies. And the fronts are the disc. And here's a lot of the parts I have for it. So there's M20 transmission. There's my drive shaft. The frames for all the seats. Here's the front valance and the rear valance. Hopefully it's easy to see in the sun. I'm sure this rear valance is probably going to need some attention, but it doesn't look like it's in too bad a shape. The rear bumper that somebody along the way decided to paint black. Don't ask me why. Here are my bumper brackets that'll have to be sandblasted, painted. And then coming over here, these are the exhaust manifolds, original. My pistons, I don't know if they're still good or if they'll have to be replaced. And then coming over here, there's my HD air cleaner. Here's the motor for the car. It's a 400. You see WT code, 350 horsepower. there are the cylinders for it. I think they're all in pretty good shape, a little dusty. It was made December 10th of 1970. And there are the other ones. Looks like it's all in pretty good shape. And there it is. Tried to show everything, especially the bad spots on the car. Hopefully we can get it put back together. Thanks.